Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to duplicate a website on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Squarespace, you might want to click on the upper right corner, create an account, and from here you can continue with your Google, you can continue with your business or working email, or just click on the more options wherein you can continue with your Apple, your Facebook, and once you've done that, you are all set. Now, once you are here, duplicating a website on Squarespace is a helpful way if you want to create a backup or experiment with changes, or maybe, create a similar website without making it live. Now, for you to be able to do that, it's a very simple and straightforward process. Once you are here on your Squarespace account, you need to go over to the left side panel, the lower left corner, click on the profile icon right here. And once you're there, navigate to the upper corner here. Now you need to select the website that you wanted to create, right, or duplicate. Now please remember, before duplicating your website, you may want to export its content for backup purposes, because the import and export panel is a very good way for you to back up those files, and it's a straightforward process. Just click on the export to download a zip file, and then it's optional but recommended for creating a backup. Now once you are decided on the website that you wanted to duplicate, say for example this one, just go to the ellipsis or three dots icon right here, click on it, and again, before you click on the duplicate option, please remember you first need to create a new site in your Squarespace account. All right, and after creating the new site, the Squarespace will prompt you to select a template. Now you have the options for permissions, billing, settings, and whatnot. Do not dive into it, just click on the duplicate website. And as you can see, there's a pop-up window that says duplicating this site can take up to a few minutes, and you can leave this page during the whole process. But just click on duplicate and just wait for a minute. As you can see, the status is just right here. You can cancel duplication if you hit it by accident, and voila, it's already here. As you can see, it's the anti-guide copy. And you also have the option from here to click on the settings. When you click on it, you have again the option to customize or play around with your new duplicate website, so you can experiment with changes, background, and all that stuff. And I believe that's a wrap in this video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.